Hi, in this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how you can create updates or announcements for your cleaning staff that will be showing on your company's social wall. To begin, click on Updates on the left sidebar menu and select Add New. Let's look at some of our templates to see what kind of engaging updates we can create. An example could be a happy birthday message for one of our employees. We could welcome a new teammate or even wish our employees happy holidays. To create an update is quite simple. All that you need to do is start from scratch. Here we have a few different objects that we can choose from to attach to our update. For instance, an image, a video, a GIF, a file, and more. Of course, we can also attach a message to our update. In our case, it could be a new contract that has been signed. Let's add a background to it, and maybe even a GIF. And there we go, our update has been created. All that I need to do next is click on Next, select what groups I want to assign it to, and finally I can customize my push notification and click on Publish. And there we go, our update has been published. We can see the update at the top left. We can see the activity of our users for this specific update, and we can even see who has viewed and not viewed our update. As an administrator on the go, I can also click on the admin tab at the bottom right, go to Updates, and click on Create New Update and follow the same process. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching.